Hi guys. So my younger brother just found out mom's computer password. Oh, I don't know about this.
Yeah, I was like, what is it? That thing or that thing in the it should this in the back. I don't know.
Oh my god. He just tried it multiple times and boom, he figured out mom's password. And to celebrate that he figured out mom's password, we're going to do some more burping. Okay. First, we got the Dogman burp. Check this burp out. Then we've got the Pokemon Snorlax Mew Pikachu burp. Now we've got the scary one and only flashlight burp. Okay. Now we've got the Pokemon card burp. Okay. Now we've got the one and only fidget spinner burp. Okay. Now we've got the fake hand burp. Okay, finally, again, we've got the bye-bye burp. Bye. Please like and subscribe to my channel and hope you guys all have a great day. See you. Bye.